Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we apply color theme in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just click on this page layout and here in this themes group, we have color option. Just click on that. After clicking, you'll have lots of colors option here guys. So if you want to apply it, then you can click on that or you just want to preview. So you can place your cursor out there and it will show the same color on that sheet. Okay, like if I'm selecting this blue, yellow, greenish yellow, yellowish orange, yellow, orange, red violet, and much more. So to apply it, just click on that and it will be applied guys. And the same changes will be applied to the remaining charts, remaining sheets. Okay. And as you can see guys, the colors are here very limited. So let's suppose if there's any color that you want but it's not present here, so what we will do is we'll just select customize color, and here you can select the colors types and it will create a new color format. So what we will do is after selecting we press OK, or you can name this color anything and press save. So this will be saved on this color. Here is this custom color 12321 as we saved. So to apply it, just click on that and it will be applied, okay, to all the sheets. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.